Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some rainy conditions across the coastal sections of the Delmarva this morning. Going to see that throughout the day today. You're going to see some windier weather as well as an area low pressure approaches the area from the Tidewater region. That's going to give us some breezy conditions out the northeast this afternoon. So kind of a dreary, cooler day for August with some breezy onshore flow as well. No real chances of lightning today. Going to see that below 10%. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this boundary south of our region as well as some low pressures moving along that boundary. Going to see one of those area low pressures moving closest to our region this afternoon. That's going to give us our best chance of seeing a wind advisory as well as our best chance of seeing some heavier rainfall. So taking a look at our current observation, we have a few different cloud layers out there this morning. Latest we have a scattered around 1,100 feet, broken deck at 4,300 feet, overcast deck around 12,000 feet. Lower visibilities with the rainfall around 5 statute miles with light rain across the area this morning. We do have winds on the northeast at 10 knots currently, temperature at 69 degrees, and relative humidity at 93%. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery, we do have abundance of cloud cover across the region as expected with this area low pressure moving through and the rainfall in the area. And taking a look at our current radar imagery, you can see we do have a good shield of rainfall across the region and seeing a fairly sharp cutoff to that rainfall across central Wicomico County into southern Delaware. Not really seeing much rainfall north and west of those areas, but south and east of that seeing abundant rainfall across the region, especially across the Virginia Eastern Shore this morning. So taking a look at our HRRR model for today, we'll see rainfall in the region throughout the afternoon hours and expecting some moderate rainfall today, possibility of seeing some heavier rainfall from time to time. But once we move into the mid-afternoon hours today, going to see that rainfall start to break up in coverage and become more scattered across the area. And we'll see continued chances of rainfall till about 20 local or 8 p.m. this evening. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have a cool high around 72 degrees late this afternoon after the rainfall does start to break up across the region. But for this morning into the early afternoon, into the mid-afternoon hours, we'll see rainfall chances near 100%. We'll see northeasterly winds gusting up as high near 27 knots for this afternoon, and we should see a wind advisory this afternoon with that area low pressure approaching from the Tidewater. We'll see a low tonight, cool for this time of year, about 5 to 10 degrees below average, about 63 degrees for tonight, and we'll see more northeasterly winds at 5 to 10 knots tonight and becoming more northwesterly tomorrow morning at 8 local on Thursday. We'll also see a slight chance of lower ceilings today, below 500 feet. Most likely will stay just above that with any of the heavier rainfall. Can't rule that out, however. So looking at our terminal forecast, going to see ceilings anywhere from about 1,000 to 4,000 feet today. From time to time, should see those ceilings lower down to 1,000 feet, and then once we see the lighter rainfall, should move back up to around 4,000 feet. Seeing a better chance of lower ceilings after 10 local this morning, and then continue to see those ceilings anywhere, as I mentioned, from about 1,000 to 4,000 feet this afternoon. Once we move into the evening hours, into the overnight hours, should see that cloud cover really start to break up, especially once we move into the overnight hours tonight, and we'll see partly cloudy skies by tomorrow morning and VFR conditions expected. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Thursday and Friday, some really nice weather in store, green charts across the board. Thursday, mostly sunny and pleasant, slight chance of patchy morning fog. We'll see a high of 81 degrees. Thursday night, mostly clear with light winds, slight chance of patchy fog once again, a low of 66. And for Friday, mostly sunny and warmer, high of 84 degrees. And as I mentioned, green charts across the board, so some really nice conditions in store to end the work week. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.